A meditation is a great way to become more present within yourself and your surroundings. It can offer you a chance to find more inner peace and calmness. It is like going on a little vacation trip away from your daily routines. My name is Mary Kolender, and let's get started. Meet me in a comfortable seat, either cross-legged or on a chair. It helps to have an active, upright position in your spine that allows you to stay alert and awake throughout this meditation. Imagine there's a string attached to the crown of your head, gently pulling you up to create space in between each vertebra. Simultaneously, allow your shoulders to softly roll down your back to widen the space in your heart. You may rest your hands either on your thighs or on your knees. Or if you'd like to, you can join me by bringing one hand to your belly and one hand to your heart to create a broader awareness for your breathing. You may close your eyes or maintain a soft gaze down your nose. For now, just notice your breath. Connect with your hands on your chest and belly. Feel the rise and fall of your inhales and exhales. Allow your body and mind to arrive in the now. Slowly take a deep, generous inhale into your lungs. Widen your chest, rib cage, and belly like a balloon. Hold for a moment. As you exhale, sense how the stream of air is slowly moving out of your body. Take another rich, nourishing breath in. Make it deeper than the one before. Notice the air filling up your torso into all directions. Pause for a beat. Let your next exhale last even longer. Feel your chest, rib cage, and belly slowly collapse. Guide your next deep inhale through your entire body. Start with your head and let it slowly wander down your torso and arms, all the way down your legs to the tips of your toes. Pause. As you breathe out, allow your exhale to bring softness to tight areas in your body. Take a few deep inhales and exhales on your own. If you get distracted, know that this is very normal and natural. Let your thoughts gently pass by, and if they want to linger longer, acknowledge them and bring your focus kindly back to your breath. Create a broader awareness for your breathing to deepen your meditation. What is the depth of your inhales and exhales? What areas of your body are getting caressed by your gentle breath? Where is the stream of air moving in and out from, your nostrils or your mouth? Take a moment to sense and notice the depth, texture, and sound of your breath. To seal this meditation, let your attention drift back into your body and surroundings. A meditation is like a workout. The more you train and strengthen your concentration muscle, the easier it will be over time. Let judgment dissolve as you keep practicing. You're doing beautifully. Thank yourself for taking that brief vacation trip for your mind and soul. Namaste.